Hello and welcome students. We are studying Statistics Part 1, Chapter number 3, Linear Regression. My dear friends, in linear regression, we studied the different types of sums, like when x bar and y bar are integer, method of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. You all know we find regression coefficient, that is b, then constant, that is a, regression line y cap. Then we do the forecasting, and in some of the sums we also find the error y minus y cap. So 5 different steps. Then we take the sums of xy method. After xy method we take the sums of uv method, that is shortcut method. And at last we take a sum when covariance xy is provided, that is co-xy is provided, and correlation coefficient, that is r, is given or provided. Students, in today's video lecture, as a part of home learning, you all are enjoying video lectures at your home. I take a sums from your textbook. Open your textbook. Practice sums. We do page number 153. Sum number 3. First we take sum number 3 and then we take sum number 4 also. Page number 153, section E is there. I read the question. The following information is obtained for monthly advertisement cost and the sales of the last year for a company providing online shopping. 3 columns are given. Particulars: advertisement cost is provided in 10,000 rupees and sales is provided in lakh rupees. 2 columns are provided, my dear friends: mean and standard deviation. Mean is denoted by x bar and y bar, and standard deviation is SD. First I write mean SD. Mean of x, advertisement cost, that is denoted by x. So x bar is 10 and y bar, sales is y, so y bar is 90. Standard deviation, that is Sx and Sy. Sx is 3 while the Sy is 12. Sx is 3 and Sy is 12. Now they provide R, that is 0.8. R is 0.8. It means correlation coefficient R is provided in the question. The question is obtain the regression line of the sales on the advertisement post. So it is clear, students, that we have to find only the regression line. For regression line, we have to pass through 3 different steps. Whenever we want to find the regression line, we have to pass through 3 different steps. For regression line, the first step is regression coefficient, that is small b. The second step is constant, that is small a. And third and last step is regression line, that is y cap. I repeat this. In this particular question, we have to find the regression line. The regression line, we have to pass through 3 steps. First, regression coefficient, that is denoted by B. Second step, constant, that is denoted by small a. And third step is regression line, that is denoted by y cap. Now let's start the sum. First step is regression coefficient. And the regression coefficient is denoted by B. The formula for B, when correlation coefficient is given, R is given, is R into Sy upon Ss. We put the values into the formula. Here R is 0.8 into Sy is 12, while Sx is 3. 12 divided by 3. So the answer is B, 0.8 into 12 divided by 3. Final answer is 3.2. 3 4s are 12, 4 into 0.8, that is 3.2. Whenever correlation coefficient is given, R is given, the formula of regression coefficient B is R into Sy upon Sx. Now second step is constant. The formula for constant is A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar and x bar already given, no need to prepare any additional column. Y bar is 9090 minus b is 3.2 into x bar is 10. So a is equals to 90 minus 3.2 into 10, it comes 32. So the final answer is 58. 90 minus 32, 50. The second step is ready. We can find constant. The third step, my dear friends, is to find the regression line. Regression line formula of regression line is y cap. Y cap is equals to, the formula for regression line is y cap is equals to a plus bx. The answer of A is 58 plus answer of B is 3.2 and x means x. Here is the answer, my dear friends. The regression line y cap is a plus bx, 58 plus 3.2x. There is no any question of to find the forecasting or not. So here is the final answer. Now we take the next sum, that is sum number 4. Sum number 4 of same exercise, page number again 153. 153 is the page number. Sum number 4. sum number 4 we take. This is sum number 3. Regression coefficient B, constant A, and regression time y cap is equals to A plus bx. Now they provided us the question. Here only we change sum number 4. The following results, fourth sum, page number 153. The following results are obtained from the information of average rain and yield of a crop per acre in the last 10 years of an arid region. They provide us 3 columns: particulars, rainfall in centimeter, and yield of crop in kilogram, kg. Mean is provided. Mean means x bar and y bar. Mean of rainfall is 18 and yield of crop is 970. Y bar is 970. SD is provided, not Sanjay Dattani. It is standard deviation 2 and 38. They provide correlation coefficient. Again they provide R. Correlation coefficient means R, but here the R is 0.6. Correlation coefficient is given 0.6. And the fourth step is also given, my friends. Estimate the yield of the crop if it rains 20 centimeters. It means when the rain is 20 centimeters, then we have to find the yield of the crop also. That is the fourth step or the step of the forecasting. Let's take the sum. First step, regression coefficient. Whenever regression coefficient we want to find and correlation coefficient R is provided, the formula for regression coefficient is B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. We put the values into the formula. B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. R is 0.6. Sy is 38 and Sx is 2. So the final answer of B is 0.6 equal to 38 divided by 2. Final answer is 11.4. 11.4. After regression coefficient, we find the constant. Constant is A. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Now, y bar is already given 970 minus b is 11.4. We find recently 11.4 and x bar is 18. So 970, 11.4 multiplied with 18, the answer comes 205.2. So the final answer is 970 minus 205.2, that is 764.8. This is called constant or A. Now, regression line, third step. Y cap is equals to A plus bx. A is 764.8 plus B 11.4 x. Regression line is ready. Students, forecasting point is also there. So I write here the fourth step. That is step of forecasting. We put the values into the regression line. The regression line is 764.8 plus 11.4x. My dear friends, x is provided 20. When the range is 20 centimeter, then we have to find the yield of the crop. So x is equals to 20. In place of x, regression line we have to put 20. 764.8 plus 11.4 into 20. 11.4 into 20, the answer comes 228. 764.8 plus 228, the answer is 992.8. So at last, we have to write the sentence. When the range is 20 centimeter, then the yield of the crop is 992.8 kg. So students, whenever correlation is given, R is given, then we can easily able to find the regression line, and also we can able to do the forecasting. So whenever regression coefficient is correlation coefficient is provided, our first step is to find the regression coefficient, that is B. B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. After finding the regression coefficient, we have to find the constant, that is A, y bar minus Vx bar. After constant, we can find the regression line, that is y cap is equals to A plus Bx. And after regression line, if they ask us, then we have to find the forecasting. We have to do the forecasting also. Here in this particular question, they ask for forecasting. So in place of x, we put forecasting point, that is 2020. So 764.8 plus 11.4 into 20. So 764.8 plus 228. 11.4 into 20, that is 228. So the final answer is 992.8. So students, you can able to find the regression line, or you can able to do the forecasting whenever correlation coefficient R is provided in the question, or covariance xy is given in the question. Without preparing or without making any type of columns, you can easily find the values and answer. So now you all are able to do the practice sums of this particular method from your textbook. So whenever R is provided, you can do sum by yourself from textbook. Write down the particular question. Page number 153, sum number 4. Now next video lecture, I take the furthermore sums for the practice of regression line when covariance xy is provided in the question. Thanks for your cooperation, students. Thank you all, and I am confident that you all are able to understand this method of correlation coefficient in linear regression. For homework, you can do the sum number 5 of section E. Same exercise, section E, sum number 5 you can do yourself, as well as in section F also you can able to do the sum number 6 also you can able to do with yourself. So thank you students, this is the homework for you. Thanks for your cooperation. It's over.